What are you doing, Sushma?
I'm making pongal.
Really? You already know how to make pongal?
With Malaysia's Mist Instant Pongal Premix powder, making pongal is very easy. Just cook the pongal premix powder and add the seasoning or tempering.
Wow!
First, go and take a bath. I'll serve you hot pongal when you come back.
Super! It tastes really good. Now that you've learned cooking, we don't need to order food from outside anymore.
No, dear. It's not because I learned cooking. It's because of Malaysia's Mist Instant Pongal Premix powder.
Ideal for busy mornings, quick dinners, or travel meals. No complicated cooking skills required, beginner friendly. Traditional taste with modern convenience. Delicious, healthy, and ready in minutes. Malaysia's Mist Instant Pongal Premix Powder, more the easy way to enjoy authentic Pongal at home.